Liver is the largest internal organ of the body with an average weight of 1.5 kilograms. Liver plays vital functions in filtration of blood, formation of bile and secretion of bile, and bile helps in fat digestion, improves peristaltic movement, absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, K, and iron and calcium. Liver metabolizes carbohydrate, protein, fat, and hormones, stores vitamin and irons, and helps in formation of coagulating factors, removes and excretes drugs, hormones, and other substances. 1 in 5 of us is at risk of getting liver disease. The number of people dying from the disease is now 400 times higher than 40 years ago. Liver disease is now the third most common cause of early death. Over 3 million people die every year in India due to liver disease. What is the reason behind this sudden increase in percentage of liver disease? Why is our liver getting damaged at an early age? Nowadays, the alcohol and junk food consumption has increased by leaps and bounds and thus affects proper liver functioning. As a result, we suffer from lots of complications such as fatty liver disease, enlargement of liver, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and alcoholic fatty liver disease. How will you be able to know that your liver is functioning properly or not? If your liver is not functioning properly, then you will come across symptoms like loss of appetite or feeling of vomiting, fatigue, having dark circles under your eye, rough skin, a yellow tinge to the nails, skin, and the white part of the eye. To make the liver function properly, we need the supplementation of hepatoprotective and hepatoregenerative, which basically help us to protect and tone up our liver and regenerates liver cells. So, to keep your liver fit and healthy, Ceon Nutri India Private Limited has come with LiveUp. Ceon LiveUp is the first herbal rational preparation for toning up the liver. Ceon LiveUp contains specific ingredients in optimal concentration, ensures uniform potency and cost effectiveness. LiveUp is a combination of 6 herbs such as Phyllanthus niruri, Bhumi Amla, Eclipta alba, Bhringraj, Terminalia chebula, Haritaki, Picrorhizacuroa, Kutaki, Emblica officinalis, Amlaki, Andrographis paniculata, Kalmeg, which are meant for toning up the liver. Phyllanthus niruri dislodges virus from hepatic cells. Terminalia chebula and Eclipta alba help in eliminating the toxins from the liver. Andrographis paniculata and Picrorhizacuroa help to maintain bile production and bile flow. However, Emblica officinalis protects the liver from damage caused by drugs. So, Ceon LiveUp is the ideal supplementation for viral hepatitis, jaundice, alcoholic hepatitis, drug-induced hepatitis, sluggish liver, and fatty liver. Ceon LiveUp supplement is to be taken 1 tablet twice daily after meals. Start LiveUp and get a healthy liver. Ceon LiveUp is a complete therapy for hepatobiliary disorders.